morning, dear students, and welcome to today's class. In this class we are going to continue with our discussion of English language, and here we will be discussing proposal writing. Now, in order to understand proposal writing, you must keep in mind that at ISC level, question number 2 carries 2 parts, and that question 2 in total carries 25 marks, out of which report writing carries 15 marks and proposal writing, which is the second part of question 2, carries 10 marks. And here we are going to discuss this proposal writing, and remember, it is very scoring if you are able to write without making any grammatical errors and strictly following the format which is given by the council. Now, before we go on to proposal writing, let us try to understand that what is a proposal. A proposal is a plan or a suggestion, especially a formal or written one, put forward for consideration by others. Now, suppose we have to conduct an event, or we have to carry out a research work, or you have to conduct a project work. Now, before any activity, we are supposed to plan out that activity. We are supposed to make our suggestions. We are supposed to chalk out our plans, that how we are going to do it, or what are the different steps we are going to follow while conducting that event. And this, when it is written down in a formal way, and we forward that written form to others for taking their consideration, that is termed as a proposal. So a plan or a suggestion that is a formal one, a written one, which is put forward to others for their consideration, is called a proposal. Now, there are different types of proposal. On the basis of the content of the proposal, these proposals can be divided into different types. Let us discuss the different types of the proposal. The first type of proposal is business proposal. Now, in business proposal, what do we mean to say by business proposal is that this is a written proposal which is offered from a seller to a prospective buyer. So when a seller writes a proposal for a prospective buyer, that comes to be known as business proposal. The second one, grants proposal. Now, grants proposal means, grant means granting funds in the form of help. So this type of proposal is written for requesting an organization for funds for accomplishing a particular project. So when we want to accomplish a particular project and we are in need of funds, then we write a proposal to an organization requesting them to provide us with the funds. That type of proposal comes to be known as grants proposal. The third one, research proposal. Now, research proposal means it is a proposal written by a research scholar giving details about the topic that he or she is going to research, and also in that proposal they state the reason for conducting such a research. Now, this research proposal is submitted to an organization, college or university for seeking permission to do the research work. Now, the fourth type of proposal is project-based proposal. Now, a project-based proposal is written to get the approval of an organization or of an authority for conducting a project or event. So whenever we want to conduct a project or event, we need to get the approval of certain people who are in authority or certain organizations. That type of proposal is termed as project proposal. Now, proposal writing, we'll discuss a sample proposal writing. Now, to discuss that sample proposal writing, first let us know that what is the syllabus for ISC level in proposal writing. There are different types of proposal. We discussed 4 proposals. Out of those, which one is for ISC syllabus? Now, as per the ISC syllabus, you are required to write a proposal in 150 words. Remember the word limit. Maximum word limit is 150 words. So it is a short formal written proposal. You cannot exceed more than 150 words. And a proposal that is written for implementing a project or organizing an event and seeking its approval from a person in authority, like the head of the institution, usually the principal of the school. Okay, so that means in our syllabus we have only the project based proposal. That is the 4th type of proposal. Only those type of proposals are asked in the question papers. And then such proposals means, when we are writing a project based proposal, what are the things that it must include? A project based proposal must have an apt title. It must have an apt title. Then it must contain a heading or introduction of about 2 sentences. Objectives, that why or what you want to attain by conducting that event, what is the purpose behind conducting that event. These objectives, there must be a minimum of 2 objectives. And then list of measures, what are the things that you are going to do for conducting that event. That is included in under the category of list of measures. This list of measures must contain minimum of 4 points. And then finally, after writing this, after giving the apt title, the heading or introduction, objectives, and then the list of measures, finally you conclude the proposal with a concluding remark. So it must be concluded with an appropriate sentence. So let us now discuss a specimen for proposal writing. This will make things even more clear to you. So suppose we are going to discuss the specimen of this particular question. As a member of the student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a science club. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully establish this particular club. So here it is a project based report, and here as a council member you have to draft a proposal for setting up a science club. Okay. And you have to state that what steps are you going to take to successfully establish that particular club. Now let us see the format of this proposal. You see, this is the format. In block letters you write the title, the apt title. Proposal for setting up a science club. Now you see, this I have written in bold. I have changed the font, I have made it bold, but in exam this option will not be available to you. You cannot, since you are writing with hand, you are making use of pen, so you cannot bolden it. So what you can do is make use of color combination. Okay. Use black pen for writing the heading or the title, and then make use of blue pen for writing the other sentences. Then this add title or heading, it will stand distinct and out from the other words. So first, to the center of the page, proposal for setting up a science club to be written in block letters. Then leave one line, and then to the extreme left hand side write heading or introduction followed by a colon. Okay. This heading introduction should be written with black, and then this particular part or should contain maximum of 2 sentences, and this carries 2 marks. So here I have written, to foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives, we propose to set up a science club in school. Okay, so you see why we propose. What is the introduction? Short 2 sentences, and it is making it very clear that what the proposal is about. So to foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives, we propose to set up a science club in school. So maximum 2 sentences and carries 2 marks. Then leave 2 lines for the sake of neatness. Come to the extreme left hand side again and then write objectives. What are the objectives of conducting that science club, of setting up that science club? This objective also should carry minimum of 2 points. You can exceed more than 2 points, but it is advisable not to exceed more than 3 points. Maximum you write 3 points only, because it carries only 2 marks. So a science club, you see here the objective is, a science club will help students overcome their phobias regarding science. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. So I have given just 2 objectives, 2 points, and you can give even 3, but don't exceed more than 3 for the objectives. Now objectives means why or what are the objectives we are going to achieve by setting up a science club in the school. Okay, so it will help the students overcome their phobias regarding science. Phobias means fear. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. Then leave 2 lines and come to list of measures. In list of measures, remember that it must contain maximum of 4 points. Do not exceed more than 4 points, and this carries 4 marks. So list of measures, what are the measures that you are going to take for setting up the science club? Like for the first one, the middle school activity room will be used as the room for all science club meetings and activities. The meetings will take place once a week after school from 2 p.m. till 3:30 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or competitions will take place on Saturdays. Then third, membership of the science club will be open to all students from classes 6 to 12. The club president will be Mr. Sinha, our senior physics teacher. 8 other office bearers will be elected from the members of the club. Then club membership has been fixed at rupees 250 per member per year. So we need to mention this because anything we try to set up, maybe a club or you want to undertake a project or anything, that requires fund. Okay. It requires money to be accomplished. From where are you going to get that money? So here in this case, you are fixing a membership charge, and that will be sufficient enough to accomplish that task. Then leave 2 lines and then finally come to the concluding part. Okay. That is, you need to conclude the proposal with a sentence. Okay. So why we are writing the proposal? To get the approval of a person who is holding higher authority. Maybe in this case at school level you write the proposal to the principal. So what do you expect the principal to do? You expect the principal to approve your proposal so that you can set up the science club here. So therefore the conclusion should be as if asking the principal to accept your proposal, requesting him to accept your proposal. So here concluding remark is, we hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the science club becomes a reality in the life of the school. Now remember, the total marks carried by a proposal is 10 marks. So 2 marks for heading, 2 marks for objectives, 4 marks for list of measures, and then another 2 marks is for linguistic ability. How well you are able to write without making any grammatical errors. So the total marks carried by a proposal is 10 marks. I hope this is clear. So thank you and stay blessed.